Ready to transform your Wix website from blah to breathtaking? Let's dive into making your Wix site pretty. First, ditch the generic templates. Start with a blank canvas or a minimally designed template to have full creative control in the Wix editor. Click the plus icon, the Add Elements panel, and start experimenting with different layouts and sections to create a unique structure. Next, color is key. Choose a color palette that reflects your brand and target audience. Use a color palette generator online to find complementary colors. Limit yourself to 3 primary colors to avoid overwhelming your visitors. Apply these consistently across your site. Headings, buttons, backgrounds. Fonts are your voice. Pick 2 fonts, max 1 for headings, 1 for body text. Make sure they're readable and complement each other. The Wix editor has many font choices. Experiment to find what resonates with your brand's personality. Visuals matter. Ditch the blurry stock photos. Use high-quality images and videos relevant to your content. Optimize your images for web to improve loading speed. You can find free stock photos on sites like Unsplash or Pexels, or even better, use your own photography. Spacing is your friend. Pay attention to spacing and alignment. Use negative space to make your content breathe. Proper alignment creates visual hierarchy and makes your website easier to navigate. Finally, guide your visitors. Use clear calls to action. Make it obvious what you want them to do. Sign up, learn more, contact you. Use contrasting colors and strategic placement to draw attention to your CTAs.